The magic of bioenzyme. Hi, my name is Vandana and I am from the UrbanMali network. This is a desi variety of rose. One of our customers donated it to us because it wasn't flowering. We brought it to the nursery. Then we gave it Jivamrita. We gave it a lot of good farmyard manure. We gave it some eggshell powder. We gave it some banana enzyme and citrus bioenzyme. The citrus bioenzyme did the trick. It started flowering. Look at how many flowers this plant has, and it blooms almost through the year. Citrus bioenzyme is made out of citrus peels. We need to add 1 part of jaggery, 3 parts of citrus peels like peels of orange, lemon, musambi, and 10 parts of water. This has to be fermented for 21 days, also with the addition of a pinch of yeast. What you get after 21 days is this rich bioenzyme which you have to dilute to 10 parts to be able to use for your plants. So if you take 10 ml of citrus bioenzyme, dilute it to 1 liter of water and spray it on your plants, you will notice that after a month's time, a plant that hadn't been flowering for so many years will start producing little buds and loads of flowers. If you would like to get some citrus bioenzyme, visit our website urbanmali.com.